Class 9 Science Chapter 9 Force and Law of Motion. Question number first. Which of the following statement is not correct for an object moving along a straight path is in accelerated motion? Option: its speed keep changing, its velocity always changes, it's always goes away from the earth, a force is always acting on it. Right answer is C. Next question. According to the third law of motion, action and reaction, option always act on the same body, always act on different bodies in opposite directions, have same magnitude and directions, act on either body at normal. Right option is B. Question number third. A goalkeeper is in game of football pulls his hands backward after holding the ball shot at the goal. This enables the goalkeeper to option is the exert larger force on the ball, reduce the force by the ball on the hands, false, increase the rate of change of momentum, it will be false, and decrease the rate of change of momentum is right answer. Next question. The inertia of an object tends to cause the object, option to increase its speed, to decrease its speed, to illustrate any change its state of motion is right answer. False. Second will be false. A passenger in a moving train tosses a coin which falls behind him. It means that motion of the train is accelerated is right answer. Question number 6. An object of mass 2 kg with a constant velocity of 4 meter per second on friction horizontal table, the force required to keep the object moving with the same velocity required force be 0 Newton because it's in constant moving. Question number 7. Rocket works on the principle of conservation of option mass, energy, momentum, velocity. Right answer is momentum. Rocket work on principle of momentum. Question number 8. If the mass of body is doubled and its velocity becomes half, then the linear momentum of the body will be remains same, become double, become half, become 4 times. So remains same. No change in linear momentum. When a number of forces acting simultaneously on the body bring about a change in its state of rest of uniform motion in a straight line, then these forces acting on the body are said to be option balanced force, equal force, unbalanced force, opposite force. Right answer is D, opposite force. Question number 10. When a car at high speed makes a sharp turn, the driver in a car tends to get thrown to side opposite to the turn. This is due to inertia of motion, inertia of time, inertia of rest, inertia of direction. This is inertia of direction according to inertia of motion. Question number 11. A man is standing on the boat in still water. If he walks towards the shore, then boat will be move away from the shore. Action reaction law है. Question number 12. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? Option mass is measured of inertia of body. Newton's law of motion is the law of inertia. Unbalanced force produce constant body. ये incorrect है. This is right answer. And ये भी सही है. Newton's third law talks about the direction of forces, opposite forces. Next question number 13. Which of the following is not an application of conservation of linear momentum? According to, while firing a bullet, the gun must be held tight to the shoulder. This is right. When a man jumps from a boat to the shore, rocket explode on the midway from the ground. दिस इज राइट आंसर. सही एप्लीकेशन नहीं है. ये भी एप्लीकेशन, ये भी एप्लीकेशन, ये भी एप्लीकेशन. सस्पेंडेड फ्रॉम द हुक द स्प्रिंग बैलेंस इन अ लिफ्ट विच इज oscillated downwarding. Question number 14. When we stop paddling, the bicycle begins to slow down. This because of frictional force acting on along the direction of motion of bicycle, air resistance which is direction of motion, frictional force acting opposite to the direction of motion bicycle. Friction force always acting opposite to the direction of motion is right. Question number 15. Inertia of property of a body by virtue of which it cannot change by itself. It's a state of rest, right? It's a steady state of uniform motion, right? All of direction of motion is right. Question number 16. Athlete does not come to rest immediately after crossing the winning line due to right answer inertia of motion. B. Inertia of rest wrong. Inertia of direction wrong. None of these हो नहीं सकता है. 17. A bullet of mass A velocity B is filled into a wooden block of mass C. If the bullet gets embedded in the wooden block, then the magnitude of velocity system just after the collision will be right answer AB plus AC by conservation of mass. By conservation of mass. Question number 18. The masses of two bodies are in ratio 5:6 and their velocity are in ratio, then their linear momentum will be 5:12. M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. Question number 19. A water tank filled up 2/3 of its height is moving with uniform speed. On sudden application on brake, the water in tank would be move backward, nay, move forward by law of inertia. Question number 20. A balloon held between the hand and pressed, its shape change. This happened because balance force act on the same balloon is right. Question 21. Speed of car between 500 kg increase from 36 to 72 km uniformly. What will change in momentum? Change in momentum will be M V2 minus V1. M is 1500 and 72 minus 36 kilometer per hour है. This is 1500 into 36 मीटर पर सेकंड चेंज करेंगे. फाइव अपॉन 18 to the 36, 5 to 10. This is 15,000 किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकेंड. ये किलोमीटर पर आवर था. राइट आंसर इज बी. 22. A passenger in moving trains tosses a coin which falls behind him. Observing the statement, can you say this? Sorry, this repeat question oscillated is right answer. 23. Newton's first law of motion says that the moving body should continue to move forever unless same external force act on it. But a moving cycle comes to rest after some time if we stop paddling it. Can you choose the right correct option? So right answer is air resistance, right. Gravitation pull the earth, right. Friction on the road, right. Heat of environment is false. Right answer is first, second and third. Next question. A man wearing a bulletproof vest stands on roller skate. The road mass is 80 gram and bullet mass 20 gram. Fire 40 meter per second. Stop by its vest and falls to ground. What will the then velocity of man? Velocity of man, this is m1 v1 equal to m2 v2. 80 किलोग्राम मास है, 80 इंटू v1 ले लेते हैं एंड मास 20 ग्राम है. 20 ग्राम को किलोग्राम में चेंज करेंगे, 1000 और इंटू 400 मीटर पर सेकेंड. 400. 2 zeros 2 0 cancel out, 0 से 0 cancel out. 4 2 जा 8. v1 equal to 8 upon 80, that is 0.1 meter per second. Answer B is right. 25. The unit of measuring momentum of a moving body is kilogram meter per second. Fill in the blanks. Momentum of an object is product of its mass and velocity, mv. According to the second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum directly proportional to the applied force. Question third. According to law of conservation of momentum, the total momentum of isolated system is always conserved. Recoiling of gun is example of dash law of motion, third law of motion. According to the third law of motion, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. The forces are said to be balanced if net force will be 0. When a carpet is beaten with a stick, dust particle comes out. This phenomenon is an example of first law of motion. Right answer.